Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sort an array of objects using Power Automate. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log into your Power Automate account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the automation features and tools you'll need to create your workflow. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll find several navigation options. Click on Create to begin building your new flow. This option opens up various flow templates and automation types you can work with. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This flow type is perfect when you need to trigger automations manually or through other specific actions, giving you full control over when your workflow runs. Next, you'll need to set up your trigger. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set it as your starting point. This means you'll be able to run your automation whenever you need it, rather than having it run automatically on a schedule. After selecting this trigger, click Create to proceed with building your flow. Now you'll see your flow canvas where you can start adding actions. Click the plus icon to add a new step to your automation. In the search field that appears, type Initialize Variable and click on it when it shows up. This action allows you to create a variable that will store your array data temporarily during the flow execution. Once the initialize variable action is added, you'll need to configure it. Give your variable a meaningful name that describes what it holds. Then click on the Type drop-down menu and select Array from the list of options. This tells Power Automate that this variable will store an array of objects, which is essential for the sorting process to work correctly. In the value field, paste your sample array data that you want to sort. This could be any collection of objects with properties you need to organize, such as a list of people with ages, names, or other attributes. After setting up your variable, click the plus icon again to add another action. This time, search for Compose and click on it. The Compose action is useful for transforming or processing data, and in this case, it will hold your sorted array result. Click on the input field within the Compose action, then click FX to open the expression editor. This is where you'll write the sorting logic. In the expression field, type sort open parentheses variables open parentheses single quote sample single quote close parentheses comma space single quote age single quote close parentheses. This expression tells Power Automate to sort your array by the age property. Keep in mind that you can change sample to match your variable name and age to match whichever property you want to sort by in your specific array data. Once you've entered the expression, click Add to apply it. And that's it. Your automation is now ready to run and save. You've successfully created a Power Automate flow that sorts an array of objects based on any property you specify. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.